This is huge. What if you can ingest the data and save it in ChatGPT's second brain? What if you can ingest the data, index the data, embed the data, and save it in the vector database so that it can be used by ChatGPT for high accurate answers? And what are the different tools available in Assistance API? That's exactly what we are going to see in this video. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you about a tool called Retrieval in Assistance API. You might be doing manually the process of ingesting the data, indexing the data, embedding the data, and storing the data. But Assistance API provide an easy solution, which all these components are integrated in one tool called Retrieval. Before that, I regularly create videos about artificial intelligence in my YouTube channel. So do subscribe and stay tuned. Now we are going to add the Retrieval tool in our Assistance API. I have already covered beginner's tutorial on Assistance API. I will link that in the description below. In this, we are going to create a customer service assistant. You are a customer support chatbot. Use your knowledge base to best respond to customer queries. That's exactly what we are going to create. And now we need to add the Retrieval tool. To do that, we are typing tools equals type Retrieval. By mentioning Retrieval tool here, you are indexing the data, you are embedding the data, and also you are saving that in vector database. Everything is taken care by the Assistance API. Now we need to upload a file here. To do that, file equals client files create, then file equals open songs.txt, then the purpose is for the assistance, then closing the bracket. Now we are going to mention this file when we create the assistant here. File IDs equals file.id. That's it. First we added the tool, then we created a file and added that to file IDs. The question we are going to ask is, tell me about dance monkey. The file songs.txt contains information about dance monkey. So now we are going to run this code. Python retrieval.py. That's where my code is stored. Now you can see the status got queued, waiting for the assistant to process the request, and it's using the Retrieval tool. The reason why it's taking some time to process the data is because it's indexing the data, embedding the data, and storing that in the vectors database. And finally, we got the answer here. Assistant, Dance Monkey is a song by Tones and I. It has an energy score of 0.588, a loudness of -64 decibel, and released on 17/10/2019. This data is being retrieved ChatGPT's second brain. That is the vector database. That's it. But you might have one more question. What is the difference between the tool Code Interpreter and the Code Retrieval? In Code Interpreter, when you upload a file, the file will get stored in their server, but it won't be stored in ChatGPT's second brain. But in Retrieval, when you upload a file, the data gets stored in ChatGPT's second brain, which is the vector DB. Code Interpreter is used to analyze data, which is inside a file. Retrieval is used to ask questions about a specific topic. And mainly, the Retrieval is used for creating chatbots. There is one more thing. What if you want to upload a large file which is more than 2 million tokens? That we'll be seeing in the upcoming video. How to divide that in chunks and how to add that in our Assistance. And also I'll be creating more videos in regards to Assistance API. So stay tuned. That's it. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.